Welcome to the Alaska Migrant Education Program video training series. This video shows you how to create an annual recertification of No New Moves, or ARCs, in the Alaska Migrant Web System. Submitting ARCs through the web system is a secure and streamlined way to document program eligibility. For written instructions on creating an ARC and more detailed explanations of all fields and sections, please consult the Recruiter Handbook. Any child information displayed in this video is fictitious. An annual recertification of No New Moves, or ARC, is the form used when a currently eligible migratory child has not gone on a new qualifying move since their last interview. You should only recertify a migratory child on an ARC if they are still eligible for the program, you have contacted the family to confirm a new qualifying move was not made since their last interview, and the child is still either living in your district, attending school in your district, or being served by your district with Migrant Education Program funds. After logging into ak.msedd.com and agreeing to the assurances page, you'll find yourself in the Home tab. To create an ARC in the web system, begin by searching for the child's most recent and active Certificate of Eligibility, or COE. To search for a COE, navigate to the COE subtab. Click in the search bar. Some ways you can search for a COE are by COE ID, names of students on the COE, names of parents or guardians on the COE, and by date or date range. A separate video describes how to search for COEs in greater detail. Another option to find a child's most recent and active COE is to navigate to the Student subtab. Click in the search bar. Some ways you can search for a child are by student ID, child name, parent or guardian names, and date of birth. Once the desired child is found, you can view all the COEs associated with the selected child. A separate video describes how to search for children in greater detail. Once you have located the child's most recent eligible COE, hover your cursor over the three-line hamburger menu in the furthest right column. Click on View COE. This will open a PDF of the COE. Locate the Recertify button in the upper left-hand side of the page. Click this and it will take you to a new page. The Recertify page will display a child data section, a comments section, and an eligibility data certification section. The child data section will list all children that were on the COE in a table. The headings displayed are Recertify, Student ID, Name, School Name, Enroll Date, Grade, and EOE, or End of Eligibility Date. You can recertify any eligible child that appears on the COE by clicking on the Edit button in the rightmost column. Once you click the Edit button, it will allow you to update the child's information. In the Recertify field, change the N to a Y for Yes. Next, fill out the three blank fields, school name, enroll date, and grade. In the school name field, select the school that the child is attending for the current school year from the drop-down menu. The Recruiter Handbook provides guidance on how to complete this field if the child is not attending a public school in your district. For children enrolled in a non-public school or a public school operated by another school district, provide a comment in the non-public Another District Public Comments box, detailing the name of the school and the school district in which that school is located. In the Enroll Date field, enter the first day of school that the child attended for the current school year if applicable. You can type the date or use the calendar feature. In the Grade field, enter the grade for the child for the current school year from the drop-down menu. Click on the Update button at the bottom of the box. Next, click on the Save Changes button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to save any changes made. Repeat this process if there are any other children on the COE that need to be recertified. It is possible that not all children on a particular COE should be recertified on an ARC. It is fine for the Recertify column to be an N for some children. Examples of children who should not be recertified on an ARC include, but are not limited to, graduates, children who have aged out of the program, deceased, and children who have made new qualifying moves. It is important to verify that you have completed the recertify column correctly for each child listed. If you forget to change the N to a Y, the child will not be recertified. Scroll down to the comments section to provide any additional or updated information. Examples could include updated addresses or phone numbers, new children in the household, and any other pertinent information. Remember to click on the Save Changes button on a regular basis. When all changes have been made and all fields have been reviewed for accuracy, go to the Eligibility Data Certification section. Users provide an electronic assurance verifying the accuracy of information contained in the ARC by clicking on the Interviewer Certification checkbox. The ARC does not need to be printed in order to obtain signatures. Checking the box will automatically update the signature information on the PDF version of the ARC. After a final review, click on the Submit for Review button at the top of the screen. A pop-up box will ask for confirmation. Click OK. This will send the ARC to the District Records Manager for a review and for the second level of approval by the designated SCA reviewer. While records managers are allowed to certify an ARC at the interviewer and the designated SCA reviewer levels, districts are encouraged to have two distinct authorized users review the ARC to ensure the accuracy of the information. ARCs that have not been submitted to the records manager will continue to be owned by the user and will remain in the Mine section of the COE research page until it has been submitted to the next level of approval. To view ARCs that you no longer own or may have submitted to the records manager level for approval, you can select the All option under the COE Research tab. Remember to sign out when you are finished working in the web system. Thank you for the work you do to support Alaska's migratory children and youth. For more information and resources about the Alaska Migrant Education Program, visit our webpage at education.alaska.gov/esea/Title I-C, and remember, you can always find detailed information in our manual. You can connect with the Alaska Department of Education and Early Development through our website and on social media at Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Flickr, YouTube, and Vimeo.